Okay, come on. Alright guys, so today is an exciting video. So today's Thursday, March 12th, 2020, and 7 days ago we had the vet out and Denny was put on stall rest. So now it has been a whole week. He's been on stall rest in a very small field, and today he's going back in with the big guys. And we're having a big thunderstorm later. So yeah. What? So here we go. Hold on. He's very, very excited. Alright, go on. Have fun. He's probably just gonna roll. Scout's going. Okay, nothing happened. I didn't really think it would, but... Oh, they're gonna sniff. Oh, the rascal's going for it. Kobe's going for it. She's gonna chase him off. Yeah, she's just chasing him away. He's just going out. He's about to roll. Yeah. Denny! Take off running or something. So pretty. You know, for a horse that's been on stall rest for a while, he acts like he's been in there the whole time. I see you guys. Don't think I don't see you. I see you too. Oh, he's like, give me attention. As you guys saw, that went great. They were fine. But later, we're supposed to have a big, huge thunderstorm. And probably a, what's it called? And probably a tornado. So I'm gonna clean out Denny's stall and put my tack and stuff in here. So yeah, I gotta get to that. I just got the main stuff in here that I don't want to get wet, so it's all in here. So, yep. I am going to clean this up and hang a hay net, so if I do need to bring somebody in, they can stand tied, and I could put someone else in that stall, so yeah. So this is what I did. I got his water bucket, and then hay, and then a lead in the middle. And there's the tack room again. So, yeah. That's what I did. So we did just have a really intense lunging sesh. His road to recovery, I am lunging him every day, but I've never been able to get a horse that I've owned, been able to canter them on the lunge. I mean, the most is like canter half a circle. Today, Denny cantered a full circle, and I was like, woo! But he was also like pulling me around. So it wasn't as fun, but it's a start. He was hyper. He was trotting really fast and everything, so compared to yesterday. Yeah. So I'm gonna go inside and like eat food. Alright, Shelby. You're clean today. Yesterday you were covered in horse poo-poo. You're clean now. So as you can tell, it's raining pretty hard. I've got Poby in her stall, and I've got Denny on his tie-up, and they're gonna stay in there because it's big enough for them to stay in the run-in. But here's Denny. He's got this. Water, hay. And then Poby's down there in her stall. And then there's them. I do want to talk about my videos. I do apologize. The past couple have been pretty short, and this one's going to be short too. Currently, I'm gearing up with better video ideas, so until I get good ones, it's just going to be barn vlogs. So sorry about that. But hey, go join my outro contest. There's a video about it on my channel. Go check it out. You can make an outro, and the winner gets a shout out, and they get to choose the next video I make, so you can do whatever. So go check it out. The final day to upload your outro, and be sure to comment on the outro video and saying you did it, so I can go look for it on your channel. The final day is March 17th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys join that. And I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Won't we? Yeah. He's done this at camp, so don't worry about him. Alright, see you tomorrow, guys.